What if I create my whole life in a single book? To know that, we have to get into the video. I completed all of these journal and I never did a single journal about me. I mean, how is it possible? So here I am making a dedicated journal or scrapbooking book for myself because I am the main character and I should feel one. So I wanted to upload this video on my birthday because I wanted to give this scrapbooking book to myself on my birthday. But today is June 2 and my birthday was on 17th of May. I mean, how lazy a person could be. But here I am shooting the intro and let's see when I will upload, and let's get into the video and let's see what will be the process. So before starting a scrapbook, I wanted to purchase some new stickers to make the scrapbook look amazing. So here I'm doing that, and now I'm starting my scrapbooking, and here I purchased a new Scholar notebook. So the quality is amazing of this notebook. That's why I went for this, because I'm using a lot of color in this because this is my life and I don't want some boring color. So yeah, here I'm writing life of Ashima because yeah, it's my life. And now let's decorate the first page. So I thought that I should start with my baby picture. So I am choosing a yellow color theme and I am sticking a yellow color paper. So in the beginning, I told you that it is our life, so I thought that why not start with our pictures when we were born. So if you have your baby pictures, then you can stick that. And now I'm going with lot of stickers, and here I'm writing the day I was born, and here I'm writing my date of birth. And you have to go crazy with the stickers because when we were baby, we used to love stickers and all. So yeah, we have to stick all of them and fill all of these things. And now next page will be some special moments of our childhood, and my first special moment was my first birthday. Of course, why not, because I love to celebrate my birthdays. So here I'm sticking my first birthday pictures, and I got my first Barbie, and here my Barbie addiction started. So you know I love Barbies and all, and here I'm writing some small stuff and sticking pictures again. You have to go crazy with stickers because it's your childhood and we used to love sticker, and you have to agree with that. And for the next page, I'm writing my childhood begins. So you have to stick all your cute pictures and the pictures you are obsessed with. So these are my obsessed pictures, and I used to stare them a lot because I'm looking damn cute. And don't judge me because here people are not judged. So be free and express yourself. And here I am sticking all my stickers, and here I am writing my tomboy era because we used to have tomboy haircut. And I'm suggesting you that if you are doing this scrapbook for yourself, then go total in because you have to be crazy and you have to store all your memories into this book and be cringe, be anything but be you. So here I'm sticking my school era picture, and I used to be a sports girl and I used to adore that thing a lot now also. But as we grew up, things changes, and yeah, that's why we can create our memories into a piece of paper so that we can remember our memories. As you saw that I pasted all my favorite childhood picture, and you won't believe that I was obsessed with myself. I mean, I used to turn pages of my album and I used to stare at myself that how cute a person could be.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
And that cuteness went a mile away because when I hit my teenage years, I was looking like a cringe person, and you will see that in the further scrapbooking. I mean, you don't judge me because every teenager must look like me. I hope so. But cringe alert. You will see a lot of cringe stuff. So let's go. So after storing all my childhood memories, I thought of starting my teenage years. So here are my starting days of my teenager, and I created pages of those memories that are still stuck in my mind because there are most of the stuff I forgot. Yeah, मैं चीजें बहुत जल्दी भूल जाती हूँ, इसलिए मैं जर्नलिंग करती हूँ बिकॉज मुझे चीजें याद रखनी है पर मैं रख नहीं पाती हूँ. And here is my favorite period, COVID-19. Yeah, it was really bad time, but for me it was a great period because I have to stay inside home, and as an introvert I used to love that thing. And after that period my bad time started because I attended my worst event. That was my 12th farewell, and I till now hate my 12th farewell because I didn't enjoy it that much, and also my outfit was not outfitting and I was looking really bad. But here is the thing, that we are creating memories and we have to just stick those memories into a piece of paper, and there are some things that we used to not like at all, but there are something we used to love. So we have to stick both of them because memories are meant to be good as well as bad. So you have to stick all of these things into your scrapbook notebook and you will remember them for life, and it will be your little time capsule of your life. And if you get older, then you will see that you created so much memories and it will be outside your phone, so you don't have to fill your storage, just fill your shelf and you are good to go.
So, आपको क्या लगा मैं सारी cringe pictures आपको ऐसे ही दिखा दूंगी?
You very चालाक bro. हाँ, बहुत चालाक bro, चालाक.
Because ये तो cringeness का 1% भी नहीं है मेरा. Because I don't want that my pictures get leaked in the whole internet. So I preferred not to show you guys, but if some of you guys want to relate to me and want to see those pictures, then you can comment me and tell me that you want it. So if I am in that mood of posting, then I will post that in my membership post so that सारा इंडिया मेरा मजाक ना उड़ा सके. So let's see what I'm going to do in further scrapbook. Let's go.
After thinking for a long time, I thought that I should post all my 20s favorite birthday because birthday are a huge deal for me. So that's why I'm sticking all my 20s birthday. And guys, I really want to know that कि अगर आप अपनी scrapbook बना रहे हो अपनी life का, so what will you choose to stick in your scrapbook notebook? So I'm really excited to hear your ideas and your life. So do really comment and tell me. And here I'm sticking one of my 20th birthday. And whenever I do any journal, then I always go for layering because it is very simple method, yet our journal look cooler and efficient. So if you try this method, then do let me know that it works for you or not. And here I am sticking another birthday of mine, and here I am also starting with layering and stickers. While I was doing this, I saw these pictures and I instantly remembered that this was my 20th birthday and I stick the wrong pictures. So I have to redo my mistake and I have to correct that because these are Ashima coded mistake, and as I said मैं चीजें भूल जाती हूँ इसलिए मैं journaling करती हूँ. But at the end I corrected my mistake, and here is my 20th birthday actually look like. And yeah, and I was not sure that what should I do to my cover page of this scrapbook notebook, so I stick the usual sticker which is memory book, and that's it.
As you saw, I pasted all my birthday pictures of 20s, and you guys should tell me in the comment section that what picture I should stick after my 20s. And also, should I decorate my scrapbook or not, because now it is not giving Ashima Inside vibe. So you can share some inspos on Instagram to me and let's see what we will create. Till then, tata bye bye.